Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So this week I wanted to do something a little bit different on my YouTube channel. Typically I'm showing you all how I create a style from beginning to end, right? So this week I wanted to let you all in on a little bit of a secret as to how I master some of my protective styles, especially with my twist, how I get my parts so good and everything like that. All right, make sure that you all stay tuned so you know exactly how I achieve this upcoming hairstyle as well as what I use. Gel, water and oil spray mixture, rubber bands, bobby pins, a brush, a comb, and hair ties. So I know a lot of times when y'all watch my videos, y'all think I just get it right the first time. That's not necessarily the case. So for this look, I'm basically going to show you all how I revamp an old twisted hairstyle. So as you can see, most of my hair is coming to one side. So here I created one large part, okay? And then a straight part going diagonally this way because I wanted all of my hair to fall on that side. So for this look, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair again into two different sections. And so if you're creating this look from the very beginning, all you need to do is just create boxed parts as big or as small as you want them. This go round, I'm going to divide each one of my twists in half. And so from here, I am just going to spritz my hair again with water and oil. Then I am just going to begin to flat twist my hair once again. And voila, just like that, we are done with our first flat twist. All I'm going to do from here is just repeat this exact same step all the way throughout this section of my hair. So as you can see, with each part, all I'm doing is dividing it in half and perfecting my parts. So this is really how I get really good at my protective styles, and each time they get a little bit better. When I first did this look, I didn't like it at all. It was too big, my parts were a little bit off, but by me creating a base prior to this hairstyle, I was able to go back in and kind of refine my look. And that's really what I wanted to show you all. It's definitely not how you start, but how you finish. And these types of looks have allowed me to really get better with parting and styling in general. Hello everybody, it is now day 2 and this is what my hair now looks like. And that's it, y'all. So this is what my hair now looks like. I am thoroughly pleased with how everything came out. Also, quick shout out to Shea Moisture in this hair color because I'm loving the two-tone look in my twist. I just think that's so cute, so I'm really digging that. Like I said, I know this tutorial is a little bit different, but I wanted to show you how I recreate looks from styles that I already have. I don't always create things from scratch, and I don't think this is a look I could have really achieved the first go round. So hopefully you all have enjoyed this tutorial and look. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram at @AsToldByHer__. There you can get an in-depth look at photos as well as like my products and different reviews and just different tidbits of information about styling details that I may forget to do in the video. Not only that, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my line sister Tikia Wright, who is the creator of Kreative, which is a Greek inspired brand. So she does shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, bracelets, all of that good stuff. So if you are interested in getting anything for your line sisters, your line brothers, make sure that you all contact and check out my girl at Kreative, and I will have all of her information in the links below in my description box. So make sure that you all check her out. So as always, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.